What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we'll be jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick fun Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top of them, guys. We're trying to recreate more expensive looking paint jobs on a budget and just have fun and learn different color combinations and stuff together. And like I said, this is all for fun. I got a test fender behind me that I shoot everything on, and today I've got Satin Canyon Black and I've got a Sun Yellow. A lot of people have been asking for more spray outs with yellow, and I haven't really done as many here lately as I used to. So we're going to do that today. And I've got a really cool eye candy pearl Glimmer Ghost Violet, guys. A really cool purple ghost pearl out in the light. What it's going to do over the black, you'll see full transparency of the pearl. And over the Sun Yellow, well, you're definitely going to get that ghost effect. And I think it'll be a really cool contrast. I think it'll make for a great episode. And that's what we're going to do today. I got a fender prepped up behind me. Let's throw some Rustoleum on it. And let's get into today's video. Alright guys, we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down. That Sun Yellow, man, really pops. It reminds me a lot of the Type R Yellow on the Acura Integras from back in the day. If you guys grew up around that era, very, very cool. Today we'll be spraying Glimmer Ghost Violet, guys. A really cool ghost pearl. It's a white particle based pearl, so that means when it's out in the sun, the light hits it, it really pops, and then it kind of dissipates when you're under different lighting. That's why I'm doing it over both yellow and over black. That way you'll see full transparency of what it does. And I'll be doing it in the Speedo line clear today. 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator. It's about 65 degrees, a little bit on the cool side, but I think we'll be all right with that medium activator. I'm just going to take my time a little bit. I'll be doing 5 ounces total into the mix. And before we go, I'm going to put some of this Glimmer Ghost Pearl in the mix, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Glimmer Ghost Violet in powder form. As you can see, when the light hits it certain ways, you see that violet. And when we get it added into the mix, well, it's really going to liven up. This is actually the middle ground for these ghost pearls. They come in 3 different versions. You get the ghost version, the glimmer version, which is a slightly poppier version, and then the galactic version. I'm going to dump probably about, looks like I did about 1.5 grams into the mix. Probably should have measured it a little bit more, but we're just doing a test spray out fender. And if you look at certain angles, you see the powder and the pearl, you see the violet on the side. And then as I get to mixing it, you should see it more under certain lights in the mix. But like I said, it is a ghost pearl, so it kind of just makes the clear look cloudy until you put it on. And then you get to see the full effect. But I always love these glimmer pearls. I've actually did Glimmer Ghost Blue on my shop truck here recently. If you haven't seen that already, go check it out. And let's load up the gun, and let's get to spraying some Glimmer Ghost Violet. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with some of this Glimmer Ghost Violet from Eye Candy Pigments. We're going to do consistent coats on the panel, probably 2 or 3 till we get a good effect today. And then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. My paint gun is the Intercraft D1 Drizzle. It's a low volume, low pressure paint gun. It has a 1.3 tip, and I shoot 28 PSI wide open trigger if anybody's wondering. And yeah, I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get it spraying. Alright guys, so Glimmer Ghost Violet over Satin Black and over Sun Yellow. Now over Sun Yellow, like I said, it's a ghost pearl with ghost effects, so you don't always see it unless the light hits it good. But over the black, you get the full transparency of the pearl. So what do you guys think of Glimmer Ghost Violet? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. A really cool Glimmer Ghost Violet by Eye Candy Pigments. A color shifting looking ghost pearl over top of Sun Yellow and Satin Canyon Black. So two very different colors at two very different ends of the spectrum. Over the Sun Yellow, you get a really cool ghost effect out in the sun, but then it does what it needs to do. It disappears so it don't dirty up the color because this is a white particle based pearl. However, over the black, you see just how vivid this pearl really is. You get purples, you get blues at certain angles, and it just has a really deep, rich purple shift. And at certain angles, at hard angles, it will actually disappear completely, and you see black. So that's a ghost pearl for you. Very, very cool nonetheless, guys. It ain't up to me. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to spray with Glimmer Ghost Violet on your next spray out or a full paint job, I am an affiliate, so I can get you discounts. My links will be in the description. Just click my links and at checkout enter WAW Shop. While shop, you'll get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. The Speedo Line Clear, the D1 Drizzle, the mask, all that type of stuff I used on today's video will be in my Amazon store. It's the link below that says As Seen on YouTube. You click that, it takes you to my store. You get everything at my cost. Like I said, cost you nothing extra. You get the benefits, Amazon Prime, and everything else they have to offer. If you made it this far in the video and you like these crazy spray outs, if you like the paint jobs, the tutorials, a little bit of everything I do on this channel, then you definitely want to take a second. If you hadn't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell beside it. That way you'll get notified every time a new episode drops. I'm all the time dropping new spray outs and a little bit of everything on this channel, so you just never know what's going to come next. You want to make sure you're subscribed and you got your notifications on. And before you click on this video, please leave me a quick thumbs up. It just takes a second to hit it. And leave me a quick comment. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. What spray outs haven't we done that you'd like to see? And I can always point you in the right direction if we have to past videos and stuff like that, because I got almost 170 plus spray outs on this channel. There's a little something for everybody. And, you know, we're all about learning and just having fun. But I appreciate you guys tremendously for watching today. I'm John from WHITLEY Artworks. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.